How to make your skin soft and smooth with an oatmeal face pack. A beautiful woman delights the eye, a wise woman, the understanding, a pure one, the soul. Mina Antrim. What kind of changes do oats bring to the skin? Oats are very beneficial for the skin. However, many young people use oats as a natural remedy for skin problems. They don't know the good with oatmeal. Oats are high in antioxidants. Oats are used to repair cell damage in the skin. It is also an excellent remedy for skin injuries and acne scars. Use this oatmeal face pack to get rid of acne scars and blemishes. It also helps in keeping the skin beautiful. It also tones the skin. Brightens, reduces age-related skin wrinkles and brightens skin. What should oats face pack make the skin white? What are the ingredients required? 1 cup of oatmeals, 1 teaspoon of milk malai, a small pinch of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Direction to use. Take 1 cup of oatmeal powder in a small bowl and add 1 teaspoon of malai and 1 teaspoon of honey and a small pinch of lemon juice to it and mix it well. Then apply it on the face for 10 minutes and massage it well and keep it for 10 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. Then wipe your face with a clean cotton cloth. What kind of changes does adding honey to oatmeal powder bring to the face? Oats are high in antioxidants. And since it has high water absorption properties, it keeps the skin moisturized for longer. Adding honey to these oats has great benefits for the skin. These relieve skin irritations and skin allergies. These help to keep the skin glowing for a long time. How to make a face scrub using oatmeal. What is the benefit of oatmeal facial scrub? Oatmeal facial scrub has many benefits. Applying this oatmeal facial scrub to your face will add more beauty to your beauty. These oats will leave you with smooth and vibrant skin. Removes dead cells from the face. And by using oats, this facial scrub provides your skin with the minerals it needs to rejuvenate your sun-damaged skin when you go outside. What are the ingredients required to make a facial scrub? 1 cup of oatmeal, when powdered, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of honey. Direction to use. Take 1 cup of oat powder in a small bowl and grind it well, then add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Then add a teaspoon of honey to it and make a paste. Then apply this ready facial scrub on your face and massage it for 10 minutes. Then wash your face with cold water and wipe your face with a clean cotton cloth. What kind of changes does adding sugar and honey to oatmeal powder facial scrub? This facial scrub gives a lot of benefits to the skin. However, the added sugar is very cleansing for the skin. And sugar is high in antioxidants. And with honey added to it, it is created to keep the skin shiny for a long time. It also removes dead skin cells and creates new cells. It helps to rejuvenate the skin. How to make an oatmeal face pack to brighten skin. What are the ingredients required? 1 cup of oatmeal, 1 teaspoon of almond oil, and 1 teaspoon of rose water. Direction to use. Take 1 cup of oats in a small bowl and grind them well. Then add a teaspoon of almond oil to it. Then add a teaspoon of rose water to it and make a paste. Then wash your face with clean water and apply the paste and massage it well. After 10 minutes, wash your face with clean water and wipe it with a clean cloth. What is the role of oatmeal in the face pack? Oats have excellent antioxidant properties. It also contains high amounts of beneficial amino acids. Also, it has a great moisturizing property which helps in retaining more moisture in the skin. It also reduces dark spots and skin diseases. Oats are also rich in B1 vitamins, which are used to whiten the skin by increasing blood flow to the skin. What is the role of almond oil and rose water in this face pack? Almond oil removes dead skin cells and rejuvenates the skin, and the added rose water contains high levels of antioxidants to make the skin soft and smooth. She is like the moon who fell in love with the blue night and shared all her light. Imran Sheikh. Thanks for watching this video.